Alright guys, tools of the trade, things you're gonna need. 20-gallon trash can, that's food grade. Cement plaster mixer from Harbor Freight, they run about 60 bucks. This mixer right here is stainless, you can get them on Amazon. I've gone through all the different models and thinking that it would do better than this, and this one does the best because the meat doesn't clump up and stick in the middle. It actually mixes it like a mixer. I've got a 2-horse Wesson that goes through bones and meat like in seconds, right? And then also I have a gallon of vinegar. I also have a hand crank meat grinder that I've used plenty of times. The only problem with it is you can't do bones with it, but as far as doing all the meat and everything else, man, it goes through it in a hurry. I get 1.5 ounces of weed with 1 ounce of hash, oil pan, little weed container, one of these new fancy fucking roll your pipes. Oh, and by the way, be careful if you use this for a couple of weeks, because next time you go to put the spank on it, you'll end up cranking it like you do this thing on accident and hurt yourself. Just saying, watch out. And don't forget to put your favorite show of Fat TV on. Normally I got the TV on and the radio, but what can I say? I like to party. We got 24 pounds of ground beef, 16 pounds of pork, 3 pounds of heart, 3 pounds of kidney, and 40 pounds of chicken, plus another 40 in that tote over there, soaking in water and vinegar for 20 minutes. Okay, make sure if you're using a mixer, do not use a cordless one. It will burn them up quicker than shit. And if you're using a drill or a mixer that's got brushes, make sure you wrap it with a towel or a damp paper cloth. Not wet, just damp. That way if there's any brush dust, it doesn't go into the food, it stays on the cloth or on the towel. And this is going to the mixer.